Keter Golf USA, welcome back. We're going to do a little unboxing, but today it's not golf. Stay with me. Today is something totally different. Today is from a company called BYRNA. BYRNA. Let me make sure we're in. We're gonna go. We're gonna take off the wrapper. Throw that in the recycling bin. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? You see that? Oh, you gotta lower the camera down. What do we at? What do we at? See that? BYRNA, BYRNA. Non-lethal protection. Nice holster. So, you don't need a permit for this. But it is a pistol. And it shoots pepper spray balls. And it's CO2 powered. So this is a non-lethal. Pretty sweet. I got it in the gunmetal gray. There's several different options. You can go with the red, and they have black, and they have gray. So let me pause this for a second. Okay. So you got your registration card. They want you to register it. We'll go through the instruction manual, how to load it, and then you get your membership card. So, my youngest son has his concealed carry permit, and he has a pistol, but I haven't gone through the course. And my oldest brother is an Army vet, and he has a concealed carry and several pistols. So this one you don't need a permit because it's non-lethal. So there you go. So I thought I'd share that with you. It's kind of neat. Yeah, I'm gonna read the instructions and see what we got to do. Maybe I'll load it up. I'm not gonna fire it, obviously. But we'll see what we got going here. Stay with me. I'll be right back. So I took the holster out of the package, and that's what it looks like, holstered. And like any other weapon, you got your safe, and you got your fire. How's that? That should be a thumbnail picture there, huh? Well, let's get the burn out. Excuse the shaky camera work. I'm trying to BYRNA. Thumbnail. Alright, we'll be back. I think the price for the gun and the holster was just under $400. Free shipping. So, just to let you know that. I'm going to just read quick through the guide here. It says, exercise caution at all times when handling. This is called the BYRNA launcher. Injury or death may be caused if incorrectly handled. I had the wrong readers on. I can barely see this. So yeah, I can't see it. There's some warnings. Then they give you instructions on several versions. There's the BYRNA LE. Installation of the CO2 cartridge. How to load the pepper spray pellets. And this breach indicator and how to clear a loaded breech, which is nice. And then you can section on launching projectiles. And then tips for using your BYRNA. So anyway, that's the unboxing. If you want, if you always thought about carrying a weapon and you didn't want to go through the concealed carry, this one you don't need a permit for. So I have been through the hunter safety years ago when I was a kid, so I'm familiar with firearms. I just haven't had a firearm in quite some time. So that's it for today. I hope you appreciate that. And if you're interested, this is not a sponsored video, but check it out. BYRNA, BYRNA.com. Later, Gators. Bye.